Welcome. In front of me I've got Omoda 5 EV. In this video I'll explain what is the circle button on the key fob. Let's start with the theory. Omoda 5 EV is electric car with preheating and preconditioning system. It is crucial to keep the battery cool in the warm climates and warm in the colder climates. Thanks to preserving it, your car will have extended range and life. That's what is for the circle button. Let's take a look at it and let me explain what does it do. The circle button, often featuring circular or semicircular arrow icon on the Omoda 5 EV key fob, is the remote start preconditioning button. Because it's electric vehicle, it doesn't start an engine in the traditional sense. Instead, it fires up the car high voltage electrical system to preheat or pre-cool the cabin before you get in. What it actually does. Firstly, climate control activation. The car automatically turns on the heating or air conditioning based on the last temperature set inside the vehicle, or adjust intelligently to the outside ambient temperature. This is an absolute lifesaver to cool down the car during scorching summer days, or to defrost the windows using the heat pump on freezing winter mornings. But also, it saves driving range. If the car is currently plugged into home wallbox or public charger while you do this, it draws power directly from the grid to condition the cabin rather than depleting the 61 kWh battery. This preserves your maximum real-world range for the actual drive. They are safety guards according to this function. The car remains locked. No one can hop into the vehicle and drive off while it's running remotely. Auto shut off. If you change your mind and don't go in the car, the climate system will automatically turn off after about 10 minutes to prevent unnecessarily draining the battery. Turning it off manually. If you want to cancel the remote start before the timer runs out, simply press and hold the circle button again for a couple seconds. Now I will show you how to enable this function. Firstly, lock the car. Once the car is locked, press and hold preconditioning button for 3 seconds. You can see confirmation. Now preconditioning is enabled. If you want to disable it, simply press this button again. If you found this video, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.